Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Huobi Bitcoin using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section on the top of the screen, you should see these four buttons, the send, receive, buy, and swap buttons. Now, if you want to get Huobi Bitcoin, you can either buy them or receive them. Now tap on the one that you are interested in and just start typing in Huobi, and all the Huobi coins are going to pop up. And as you can see, the third one is the Huobi Bitcoin. And when you tap on it, Trust Wallet is going to generate your own personal QR code. And with this QR code, you can receive Huobi Bitcoin in your Trust Wallet very easily. You can also use this QR code to scan it for yourself. If you have coins in a different wallet, you can transfer them to your Trust Wallet this way. You can also use the copy icon, which is going to copy your Trust Wallet address, and you can use that for transactions as well. And the second icon on the bottom is a very interesting feature where you can type in an exact amount of Huobi Bitcoins, and Trust Wallet is going to generate a new QR code. And with this new QR code, you can receive this exact amount of coins, 936 in this case, which is a great way for transactions or payments where you actually need to receive an exact amount. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.